April 14th at 7 o'clock p.m. at the Yes We Can Worship Center, located at 5857 Central Avenue, Suite 180, right behind the CVS drugstore, right next door to Cricket. We will be having the International Prayer Vigil for America's Leaders, and we're asking you to join us April 14th at 7 o'clock p.m. If you can make it to the Yes We Can Worship Center, which is located at 5857 Central Avenue, Suite 180, behind the CVS drugstore, right next door to Cricket. We're going to be praying for the Trump regime and for all of America's leaders at this prayer vigil. If you cannot make it physically to the vigil, wherever you are, join with us in prayer simultaneously to the West Coast 7 o'clock p.m. hour. We will be praying for our leaders, asking God to work miracles, to bring the country together, to build bridges, not walls, to stop the Muslim ban, to join hand together, and make the world better. April 14th, 7 o'clock p.m. at the Yes We Can Worship Center, 5857 Central Avenue, Los Angeles, California. Join with us for the prayer vigil, Suite 180, right next door to Cricket behind CVS Drugstore. Tell it everywhere you go. We want people to know. If you want a copy of the prayer vigil flyer, email shermandmanning@gmail.com. shermandmanning@gmail.com. Call 213-377-8681. 213-377-8681. Again, 5857 Central Avenue, Los Angeles, Suite 180. 213-377-8681. Join us and let's shake the world with prayer on April 14th at 7 o'clock p.m.